trade I was taking into that area there, right? So that was the candle, that spinner candle. So why was I taking it? Well, if you look at that candle narrative beforehand, the dealers had gone short. And at the same time as the dealers had gone short, they were obviously picking up on an actual seller coming in here. This looks like a 2 sigma seller coming in here. So I took the short. Now, obviously, what happened is that they decided it wasn't. Well, quite obviously, they decided it wasn't here. So because I'm short here, I'm just closing out my positions quickly onto the downtick. I'm not second guessing it. I'm not trying to figure it out. They just said it's not the right trade yet. So I take my money and I say, thank you very much. I walk away from the trade at that point, and I recognize that if the price were to trade back up here, I'm going to have another look at it and see if they still pick up on maybe some sort of a seller coming in to the higher prices. And if I do, then I'll go again. At the moment, I still see a buyer coming in just now, so I'm not seeing a fast money seller. So it's a market makes short at the moment, which is a very passive, higher price short. I don't see the opportunity to start getting exploding into this as a seller at the moment. It's a passive top line, not an aggressive top line, that's for sure.